These AI videos you are watching right now are made with a brand new model called Happy Horse. And the best part, you can use it for free with no content restrictions. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Happy Horse is publicly available right now. Anyone can access it through their official website. When you sign up, you get 66 free credits. That is enough to get started. So create your account now while this offer is still live. You also get additional credits just for logging in every day, which is a nice bonus. Once you are inside, you will see two main options: generate video and edit video. Click on generate video. Now type in your prompt. Right below, you will see the credit cost displayed. One 5-second video costs 32 credits. So with your 66 free credits, you can generate 2 videos before you need to top up. You can also adjust quality and resolution settings before you generate. Most of the advanced options here are behind a paywall, which brings me to the second method. And this one gives you much more control. We are going to use a platform called Weavy AI. Go to the Weavy AI website. You will see 3 login options. I will choose Figma to sign in. If you need an email to create an account, I already shared it on Telegram. Once you are logged in, click on Create New File. Now watch this part carefully. We are going to pull the Happy Horse model directly from Fal AI. Open the Fal AI website and search for Happy Horse. You will find 4 different variations of the model. We will go through each one. Start with the text-to-video model. Copy the model link from Fal AI and paste it into your Weavy AI canvas. You can also right-click on the canvas and select Import Model directly. Once it loads, you will see options for aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. Here is the important step. Turn off the safety checker. This is what removes the content restriction errors. You will not get blocked prompts or failed generations after this. You can also set it to generate 4 variations at the same time, which saves you a lot of time when you are testing prompts. Now write your prompt, connect the nodes, and click Run Model. A warning will pop up. Accept it and click Run Model again. Your video will start generating. While that is running, let me show you the image-to-video workflow. Copy the image-to-video model link from Fal AI and paste it into the Weavy AI canvas. Import your image. Write your prompt describing the motion you want. Connect the nodes. Set your duration. And click Run. The rest of the process is exactly the same. Now that you know how to generate videos, let me show you something most people skip: how to edit an existing video using Happy Horse. I already generated this clip of a woman on a phone call. Now, I want to make changes to what is happening in that video. So first, we have to import the video edit model from Fal AI. In the video input node, attach the video you want to modify. In the prompt section, describe the changes you want to make. Be specific and clear in your instructions. Connect all the nodes and click Run. Now, if your edit requires multiple images as reference inputs, use the reference to video model instead. Import it from Fal AI. This model lets you attach multiple images as your input. I created 2 images to demonstrate this. Write your prompt, connect all the nodes, and click Run. That is it. That is the complete workflow for both generation and editing using Happy Horse. In the next video, I will cover more useful use cases of Happy Horse. Subscribe so you do not miss it.